Ibu lộn ha ibu số béo sen tại hắn nó na y trống chính béo á nếu ấy giờ buông ấy mà trống xa nếu ibu lộn ấy cho tóm dạng tắm á thì lộn ha ibu số chính cha này số miên này xe ibu lộn ấy cái này xuống tại tổng na bữa nọ nhung ibu à lộn nan ha bữa gặp sọt xe bữa lộn thôi số miên lộn gặp sọt xe hắn nó sọt xe lộn thôi ibu bao lò tan lộn này số miên số sinh cha số nhung số muôn ibu ta lộn này nó bộ nè sẽ tốn té như bữa cho sinh cha cho miếng nhà xe bố như cho xe nó anh nằm tốn nó luôn nói bữa cho tốn tiền nhà cho miếng làng na té mình như vậy luôn nghe lo cho xe tận hắn nó nói bữa cho sinh cha biếng dễ nên tận hắn nó luôn na biếng nó phi tròn nó có hiểu thông tỏi nè dễ hiểu đông á luôn họ vừa tao hiểu phiêu hiểu đông á hắn nó ý vừa cho ta hắn á nếu nó mà ý vừa tập pha bún nọ lo hả ở đâu vừa dùng gắn lo hả bún hay dùng ý vừa sen tờ tập na thiếu có vừa sai năm thông tỏi hắn nó na ở đâu vừa phi tròn ồ nó tập phiêu tập chơi phiêu ấy vừa chơi số nghe hao tập vườn hăng này ở chỗ hắn nó mà tông chỉ ta nó tổ ta hao ta sẽ tổ vừa trồng cún hắn nó này vừa lộn thôi yếm bông sàng rồi cũng kín lộn cái này ta hắn nó giờ này mà ăn rồi nó mà lan choàng nó xây miền taแค่เมียนตัวเท้าไอ้บัวสุผู้เมียนป่วยน้ำตองไอ้จันนะไอ้บัวผู้กวาดโตจันน้ำต้นนะผู้กวาดโตนะผู้แค่เมียนนะสวยนะยันฮะเจ้านั่นนอนอยู่เว้ยนอนแม่หล่นนอนตรงแกงตรงหน้ายันนะชวนขดาวอย่าทุกluôn hơi lệ phiến đã tụi bạn tao kẹn hắn nó
chỉ có mình nhận tông
đây buông nó xem mà là như na vừa ở chỗ uy mà mía lô hải vừa tổ na con tổ kéo bún má như đó nhằn nó xem trốn tao kẹn hắn nó mà xem vừa mỏ mẹ uy tủ quá nè mỏ tùng hết rồi nó mới mỏ liều là uống nó mà tầm số vừa luôn nó vừa tầm số đã số năm tóng xe vậy ít buồn miền tròn béo xe xe vừa vậy buồn nhà mà tùng xăm ở chỗ mà y nó tôi sẽ sang liều vừa số nhận nghe chỗ to này yên na ý vườn ta ở chỗ nó giống nhung to số nhận nếu cái ta nó mà sụp ôi bún chả ăn một cái sụp bữa đó mua nhận lồn thôi yên na hắn nó lồn thôi bữa tạ tối ăn tại yên na hắn nó tạ vừa hô vừa lộn hoa vừa trả tạt hô chả na cho nên tôi养hàng vừa lộn hoa anh ta má nhung má hồng xí má nhung vừa cố lộn là tôi tạm hàng như vậy cái ta thà na y nông kên tón té y chung kên này sen tạm hoàn tỏi chung bưởi na mà miền hoang tham mà sẽ anh sắp cho hoa sa anh cho ta chỉ chung nha liu bu miền bưởi nãy miền chỗ cho ta ý chung năng.
This particular floor plan is a smaller scale of a typical two-bedroom house. This one represents the completed house. Since the living room is too small, the rice pounder has to be built in the hallway next to the first bedroom wall. Traditionally, it would have been built next to the grinder in front of the stable.
Chẳng tới tiền tôi养ta, bún mua miền lún miền màng, tôi lọ khu, miền cố miền kia dễ bảo miền lún miền ya tỏi mà ya tỏi nhá từ dịp, chẳng kiêng lồn thôi, u đâu vợ yêu miền yếm bông nha, cháu nha, cả sĩ lồn nha cái na, cháu nha tòng nhung hong.
Okay, for those of you guys are out there wondering why we do this, wondering why, I think for me, to come out here, I mean, you know, I could be spending my Saturday somewhere else, but you know, I choose to come out here and help out the Mien community and keep it alive, because it's truly rewarding when you come out here and you just speak to the elders. The age gap is so far between, and you know, you learn a lot about your history when you work with the older people, because you start having stories. They start telling you stories about, you know, what happens back in Thailand and stuff like that. And so, you know, like I said, it's not so much as if, oh, you know, I'm gonna do this as for a community to look good on my resume. It's not like that. It's what you feel inside, you know, with the gratitude and satisfaction you get inside of helping out. And I think that's what's really important. And it's really important for us to continue to do that, because I mean, if we don't do it, then no one else is going to do it. And I encourage young children out there to, you know, keep that alive and keep it going, you know, because you guys are going to have to take our place someday, and we hope and encourage you to do that.
From this experience, I gained my history. I learned more about my history, and I experienced how my parents felt building this house, how much hard work it took, and I guess I would say this experience would be kind of like a lifetime opportunity, because there's no other chance that I would get to build this house and re-experience the feeling that I was like my parents growing up and learning how to build a house, or even going through their experience at all.
I've benefited a lot from this project because it teaches me about my culture and how they lived by building the house, and feeling the way that our parents felt in our past generations of ancestors, like back in Laos and Thailand.
If I was to imagine going to the past and building a new hut, it would have been a lot harder, because we wouldn't have our resources that we have today. We couldn't go to Home Depot, buy all the woods and furniture that we needed. We can't buy beds, we can't buy pillows, and we can't even buy TVs, so it would be a lot harder.
I thought that the seniors didn't really do much. They just wandered around, or they just stood around the house, didn't do a lot. But now, after this experience with the seniors and the project, that they're very hardworking. They worked on this project every single day, and they were very patient with us. They didn't yell at us or anything, and I appreciate that.
We should appreciate what we have today, because in the past we didn't have a lot.
I would encourage younger kids to do this project, because it is once in a lifetime, and you get to really experience how you make the house and how you build everything, how you put everything together. Even though it is hard work, I mean, that's what life is all about, you know, because if you don't go through mistakes and you don't make mistakes, then you don't really learn from it.
If anyone was to walk into a mansion, they would say it's very beautiful, or it looked pretty or near perfect, but if you walk into this house, you can see all the pain, the struggles.
Hey, this doesn't compare to what brought us here today, and people should appreciate more and experience the way that our people once used to live.